Today I'm speaking with Doshi, the head of decision science and data engineering at Opendoor.
So for folks that don't know, Opendoor is real estate tech. We buy and sell homes. I'll go with you.
What role does AI play in Opendoor's data strategy?
It's a public kind of fact that our kind of CEO Carls, he announced default to AI strategy. AI by default needs like clean data and context. So continue to invest in more like cleaner data. Helpful to investing in the foundations. And while we do that, we're also kind of cutting costs where possible to accommodate for the higher cost from a lot of the AI stuff.
You just wrote a blog post about it, talking about the different layers. Can you talk about those 4 intelligence layers that you are referring to in your post around?
The first one is we look at the property and all of the various information that we can get about that. Second component of the data intelligence layer is what we call comps. Third, we look at kind of risk and market signals. And last but not the least, we have a bunch of things around 250K transactions, 20 plus external sources, our proprietary like internal data sets that we have fed AIs.
Key infra decisions you have to make again in order to support those use cases based on the stack.
When I joined, we were on a fragmented stack. We cut down our high severity events by at least a factor of like 50%, so half of what we see in the case. And then we have brought down the overall cost of the FAIR platform fairly significantly as well, while improving the system because you can just get that by eliminating a duplicated kind of tech stacks. I remember waking up middle of the night multiple times. Once in a while, I still do that because, systems break, but not as I used to. So the biggest kind of change from an architecture standpoint that we've made is centralized a lot of those kind of things, and now you have like a standard stack.